How to transfer Sweatcoin to Sweat Wallet. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can transfer Sweatcoin to Sweat Wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is, if you already have your Sweatcoin, you'll actually need to download your Sweat Wallet. So search for Sweat Wallet in your App Store or your Google Play Store and download the app. So this is the app. Make sure that you download it. After you do that, you can open up your Sweatcoin, open up the app, and after you open up the app, there you will be able to see how much Sweatcoin you have. Now tap on the balance that is on the top right corner to see how much Sweatcoin you have generated. So after you're here, you will be able to see how much Sweatcoin you have generated. So right here, you can tap on your balance or this option right here. And after you tap on it, it will simply redirect you to Sweat Wallet. Now you can log in into your account if you're new to Sweat Wallet. And after you log in here, what you can see is you can actually see your Sweat Wallet. Now after you've logged in, your balance will automatically get transferred here, and you can actually see how much Sweatcoin you have or how much Sweat balance you have in your Sweat Wallet. So yeah, the accounts will be linked. All you have to do is open up the account in both of your apps, and yeah, you're good to go. And that's basically all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.